I mean, I might as well study what is sound. Sound travels 700 miles an hour. It is the collision of air molecules. So I would like to know what occurs on a molecular level when sound travel.
I also got into an area, this is within the context of cross-disciplinary, is psychophysics, the relationship between physical stimulation and mental phenomena. And I sort of sporadically encountered this discipline when I tried to decipher why a musician and a non-musician would have the same emotional attributes when they hear, let's say, a sus4 or sus2. This is no longer a cross-disciplinary. This is
What did you do with
discussing
Jeff?
music independently,
here today.
how to build hypomania. Now, there's a number of different parapsychological phenomena that is induced, and bipolar is prevalent for that when manic is induced. So I have to take,
If you put a very
psychopathology, parapsychology.
What did you do with
because you have
Jeff?
to take stuff like precognition,
He's not here today.
premonition, clairvoyance,
He might be back next
lucid
week.
dream, a number of
In
different
any event, I'm
parapsychological
hosting his
phenomena
show,
are
The Jeff
augmented,
Richards Show,
modified.